How to fix Airalo app not working. Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your application is not working, there might be a couple of reasons why, and here are few of the solutions. First and foremost, check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into your mobile data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, connect to a better Wi-Fi connection. Try again to launch your Airalo app in your device. If the issue still persists, check out this next step. Tap Open your phone settings. Within the options, scroll until you see Apps. Head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Airalo. In here, you need to tap on the Force Stop button, tap on OK for confirmation, head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue. Last but not the least, check out your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for Airalo. You need to ensure that your application is up to date. Also note that if your app is ongoing an update, it will simply not launch or work. In that case, just have some patience and after the update is complete, check out your app. By this way, you'll be able to fix your application not working. And you have come to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.